Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Remove the AirPods from the case and power them off by placing them in the case. This prevents accidental inputs. Once done, rest each AirPod on a soft cloth so they don't roll away, and inspect the current ear tips for tears or compression. Make sure you have the replacement size ready and that it's the silicone connector style Apple uses. This step prevents wasted attempts and gives you a clear visual on how the existing tip is seated. You'll now remove the old tip by gripping its rounded base and pulling straight away from the nozzle with a steady, controlled motion. Do not twist aggressively. Once removed, align the replacement tip's inner stem with the AirPod nozzle, then push until you feel or hear a subtle click. This is the secure fit. After seating, gently tug the new tip to verify it won't come off, and inspect the circular seam to ensure the rubber ring is fully seated around the nozzle. Finish by placing the AirPods in your ears and running a short audio test. Switch between transparency and noise canceling to confirm the seal and comfort. If bass is weak or sound seems occluded, remove the tip and reseat it, or switch sizes until you get a stable seal. This directly influences noise isolation. If a tip won't attach, inspect the nozzle for debris and gently brush it dry. Do not use liquids. If problems persist, try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.